What's going on, guys? It's Chad the Brit. So today we're going to talk about thumbnails. That's right, thumbnails. So obviously, if you're on YouTube and you're trying to get more people to come to your channel, trying to get more visitors, trying to get more exposure, the most important thing you can do is, other than just recording it, do some research in what you're doing. Make sure that everything you're saying is factual. And also make sure your thumbnail is good. And the reason I say that is because that's the first thing people notice when they browse on YouTube. It's the first thing people look at. It's like when you go to the shop. When you're browsing your shopping, the packaging looks really nice, doesn't it? So you go over, you pick it up, and you're like, oh, I think I'll buy that. So it's always about first impressions. So when you're doing a video, make sure your video looks good. Obviously, make sure the image looks good, should I say. So a couple of tools you can use, which I've been using myself to make my thumbnails really stand out. Very easy to use. It's called Thumbnail Blaster. I bought it today. I think I paid £20 or £30 for it, and it comes with literally a bunch of templates. You can drag and drop what you need. You can add your pictures. You can add text. It's really easy to use. You don't need to have any programming knowledge, no web design knowledge. You literally just drag it and move it. You can make it bigger, make it smaller. You can change the font. And this has really helped my videos. Like a lot of my videos already today, I've noticed all my videos today are starting to get more hits as well. So I'm really pleased with that. Like I said, I think you might have noticed in my other videos, I bought a teleprompter. So all these little things that you might want to look into buying. It's not really too expensive. I think I paid £200 for the teleprompter. You need a tablet. So obviously, when you're using the teleprompter, the tablet, the reflection reflects onto the teleprompter, and then you can read the words. But I'll do some other videos about that. Once it comes, it's not here yet, it should be here in a few days. I'll show you exactly how to set everything up and start seeing the money coming in. There's many companies out there always looking for presentation videos, always looking for unboxing videos, always looking for someone that's going to be professional, and knows what they're doing. Like, if you've got the charisma and you just got a plan, that's all you've got to do. So yeah, that's about it really today. So my next video, hopefully my next video, will be about my teleprompter when it comes. Make sure that you subscribe and like down below. That would be really awesome. I'm also trying to build up my following here on YouTube. There will be more videos to come in the near future. I'm trying to get my website up and running. I'm going to try and do some really cool tutorial videos on website design, marketing. There's going to be a bunch more videos to come. So this is all in the early phases really. So yeah, that's it really. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.